Oh, hello guys, this is Aru, and coffee lover ka rin ba like me? And if so, I'm going to introduce you to Gem Perfumery Moonstone. This perfume is inspired by Montel Ristretto Intense Cafe. Ristretto. So tama ako, Ristretto Intense Cafe by Montel. So I'm going to spray this na. Ayan na. Okay, yung top notes nito is fresh coffee. Ito yung mabilis mag-fade at ito rin yung unang maaamoy mo pagka-spray. As for the middle note, amoy rose siya. Lumalabas siya 10 to 13 minutes after ng first spray. And guys, I assure you, sobrang bango niya. And as for the base notes, ito yung pinakamatagal yung naiiwan sa balat after hours. It smells like vanilla, white moss, and woody notes. So guys, bilhin na kayo. Very recommended ko talaga to. And that's 1 minute. Mwah!